To add zoom effects to a video in Canva, let's click on the video documents here and select a video size. I'm working with the landscape video. And from here, I will go over to my Elements tab and come down to videos. And I'm going to start pulling in my video that I want to use. I'm going to pull in this video again. So I have these first clips and this second clip. To add zoom effects to this, I'm going to click on this one and pull it to the Elements timeline. And I'm also going to pull on this one to put it on the Elements timeline. Let me just split this here. Press on my keyboard to split and I will delete the excess. So I have this two clip here that is not on my main timeline. They are both on my element timeline. I will click on this first one. The first zoom effect I'm going to add is I will come over to animate and I will click on the shake zoom. You see that white background it has, to mitigate it not having that white background. I'm going to click on add media here and I will click on blank. I will change this blank page color. I'll click on background color here and change the color to black. Then I'll stretch it out to cover all the places my video appeared. Then when I come back to the clip I want to add zoom to and go back into animate, and if I choose only on enter, you see I no longer have that white stare in my face, and I can choose the speed of my animation and the intensity of my animation from here. Another way I can add zoom effect, let's go to the second clip. We'll still go back to animate and come in to find the breathe animation. I particularly like this breathe animation of how it comes in. You can choose whether it's breathing out or in. I like the in one. I'm going to select in, and you can choose the scale of your animation. Do you want it very obvious or do you want just a little subtle? I want mine very obvious and I will leave it on the in animation. This is how to add zoom effect to your Canva video.